So I found this heart at the Dollar Tree. It's actually the first time I've ever seen this, and it's a heart that sits in the stand. So I also found this vellum paper also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using a glue stick to adhere it because it's kind of plastic, so a glue gun's not going to work. It's kind of like a wax paper. And then I just trimmed off the excess. This took two of the papers, which came in a package of, I believe, 3 or possibly 4. And then I just kind of filled in the areas that I couldn't hit. And I went around this heart and matched up the pattern till it filled the entire heart. I love the stripes and the gold hearts. And the glue stick actually worked very well. I found this heart with the beads. Everybody's loving it this year. And I removed the hanger from the back, and I'm going to glue it over the existing heart. It didn't line up perfectly, so I just made sure it did at the top. And I wasn't really too concerned about the bottom, as I'm going to cover that. And then I glued the stand to the bottom. I have this plaque. You can either get these at Michael's, even the Dollar Tree, and I removed the hanger from the back along with the rope, and then I glued my stand to the plaque. I took this greenery. I usually grab these at Hobby Lobby when they're on clearance, and I stapled them with my Bosch stapler. I'll put a link in the comments to the stapler. And I just kind of wrapped it around the base of my wood plaque here. Until I got the, desired fill that I wanted. I have this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It says love, and I put it kind of like a sash from one end of the heart to the other on an angle. And then I made a gingham bow, also ribbon I found at the Dollar Tree, along with some jute. I created a jute bow that I glued down first and then put the gingham bow on top of that. I just tucked it up in this corner where the sash starts. Then I found these lights also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap them around the base. These lit up hearts, and I added my 2 batteries. And then because the plaque had that openness at the bottom, I was able to just glue it underneath. And I really just loved how this came out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, and don't forget our subscription box, chalkitofancy.com.